I would love to speak to the celebration piece. I think that when we start every meeting with celebrations, and we're using it in all meetings now, it's just like, how can we celebrate what's going on in our building? But to hear the teachers and the support staff start with celebrations, it's every meeting, it's just, it's so powerful, right? To sit around a table and hear people speaking amazing things about what our students are doing, right? It really sets the tone for every meeting. And just, I don't know, there's just a shift, a mindset shift that takes place when you celebrate. So for
Mhm.
that is, I would believe, to be one of the most powerful things.
Um, Teachers and support staff feel more confident, more validated, more willing to take risks. They felt heard and part of the process. I have seen over the years, and as I said, we didn't want to age me, but a lot of years doing this work, that through collaborative response, which is a coaching model,
Hmm.
I believe, we're coaching
Mhm.
um, teachers able to build capacity. I feel like we've built capacity in our staff. Um, because now when we have conversations, it's simply like, do you remember when, in CTM, oh yeah, that student, I remember I used to, and it's a collaborative. So I feel like we've built capacity. I'm not saying I'm not busy still, but I
Yeah.
feel like the teachers, they've always had it, but I think it's given them a structure where they really feel like they have it. Like you walk away, they walk away. I can't speak for everyone, but you hear conversation down the hallway with, and they're implementing. It's
Yeah.
making a difference. They're having conversations. What I've seen come from CTM is teachers putting actions in place, feeling like they're I get emails or texts, or when I go in the classroom, they're like, hey, remember CTM? We talked about building a visual schedule. Come check this out, Weidner. It's
Wow.
really working. So, like, I feel like I don't want to say, I don't know if empower is the right word, but come on, you guys have better words on a Sunday morning for me. But you know what I mean? It's making a difference in how they see what
Yeah.
they're doing, their confidence, that's how I feel like CTM has changed our building.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And it's a capacity piece. I guess it's team. It's not an admin going and saying do this or try this. It's all of us saying hey, and teachers coaching teachers, and
Yeah.